are gonna go to somewhere.
Nicole, do you have water? Babe, we got water for Nicole. Here, hold this water. That's your water.
And say hello to the camera.
Hello!
So, do you want to explain our little vlog?
We are here. Anak ko, wait, I'm doing something.
Here, I'll hold
Why don't you explain? Go.
Okay. So, where are we going again?
To the Navajo Trail.
We're gonna go to the trails and Navajo? Navajo. We're gonna go to the Navajo Trail. Try to find some people. I just dropped my glasses. And yes. So, do you want to say something, Mr. Driver?
Yeah, I want to give a shout out to everyone out there in the big cities with the hard concrete and all that jungle stuff. We're out here in nature where we belong, breathing fresh air, clean, non-smoggy.
I like that.
Okay. Do you want to say something, co-driver?
I agree. By the way, I would like to thank Create Ryan Bombane for this beautiful cap. He only produced 60, so thank you for giving me the first one. Thumbs up. By Create.
Brian
Buy them this week, I think. Is it? This week? Yeah, this week. So yes, and we have our little girl right here. The co never gonna driver.
Never gonna drive. Poor baby.
So say something. You like turtles? Very good. And yes. So we will get right back to you. And yes.
In the hell, and she's gonna be catching a cold and hypothermia, and she's not using her Patagonia jacket. You're right.
Say hi, Mr.
Beth, what drinks do you want? This?
No, I got this.
You want that instead?
We made it.
We made it to the wilderness.
I want to party here. Somebody put on a heater.
I love you. What song is this?
I don't know.
You make me feel. Yeah, you make me feel.
We're weird.
Shiny and new.
Okay.
Oh! This is a bad song for you, Camila, Nicole. Like a virgin.
Water base for her? Is there a bottle?
Botella, mama.
I don't have botella.
Yes, there's another bottle
Oh,
there.
hi, botella
Shh,
here.
don't be too loud. Babe, can I have one?
Have some
Camila,
botella.
Nicole, eat.
Yeah. I failed.